Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kapor ding ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung du bor ding ha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Uladu Jumi akan digopor lawan Yang bersedia menyanyi. I would like everyone to kindly stand as we welcome the honorable guest.
Unongelam ke Indian National Congress INC Rahul Gandhi haka apa tri uruphang ulawan yukjat Hamadan Malki Shillong panishimenta haka jingalang padpa kumshibenta haka jingalap election nagabenta ka seng haka jipin kre banya konik election ke bansalong haka aponya tarik menta ubnai habaklan haka ni jingalang u Gandhi ulathia da BJP da ka baong.
When I come here to Meghalaya, I come here to try and understand your perspective. I come here to try and listen and appreciate your history, your culture, your tradition. I'm wearing this jacket as a sign of respect to your culture and your tradition. Right? And my actions reflect this jacket. So if I was to come here like the Prime Minister does, and put on this jacket, then attack your religion, attack your culture, attack your history, attack your language, I would be insulting you.
Habaklan haka ni jingalang u Gandhi ulathia da ka BJP da ka baong bauwan ha Meghalaya nama kadukam perkhat ba kajinge jang Bharatiya Janata Party ba khamdam ka Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS ki ba persang ba thambor ba pinjat ka culture ka riti ka dustur ka niam kadukam jang ka jala ulaong ba lawan banyang ba ki brio ka jala haka ni jingale.
And I wear this jacket as a sign of respect to you, to your ancestors, to everybody who lived in this state before you. And because I do that, I walk away from Meghalaya with wisdom, with understanding, and with affection.
Habaklan spang ka Trinamool Congress TMC u Gandhi ulaong ba kajingnung ka TMC ha Meghalaya kalong with Pynkhlaiñ ka BJP.
The BJP is attacking all our states. Whether it is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Meghalaya, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, every single state is being attacked by the RSS. And one idea is being imposed on all these states. And that is, for us, something that we will resist and we will not accept. Of course, you also know the history of the TMC. You know the violence that takes place in Bengal. You know the scams, the Sharda scams that have taken place. So you're aware of their tradition. They came to Goa, spent huge amounts of money in Goa, and the idea was to help the BJP. And this is exactly the idea in Meghalaya. The idea is to ensure, the TMC's idea in Meghalaya is to ensure that the BJP is strengthened and they come to power.
Shushu habakda basab honyongot na ki hindu phongot ki kertong ki degi badang samla ki bahapo sapsam sedam kerta bachpo na ki degi kinthe u Rahul Gandhi ulong kade ka thong jengi wen penya so shakjing ang not ki nong thap vote ki badang samla bangwana ekaseng congress ka badang samla ka badan ru ya ka jinglong barang ba ka jingwan jong Rahul Gandhi she Meghalaya kalong ka bakong san ne ka seng congress ka bathumoran phaibiang shakapor ha ka jilla akoi ba kalyang u Gandhi ulakula ru barman biang she Meghalaya ha kapor bakamdan collection barun pulut poru kumbasan ni hendru singi hangni
47 out of our 60 candidates are fresh, young, below the age of 45, and 10 of them are women. And it is our aim to connect to the aspirations of the young voter, to show a youthful Congress party, but also a Congress party that has experience. And we are talking about providing Meghalaya with an inclusive vision that will take all members of Meghalaya's society forward together.
Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kanika scheme on pen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khar hajating kashi snap shaki kinthei haman la kilong yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urempang shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli ki sentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.